Hello everyone. Welcome to Insta Famous Model YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Briella Bardot, also known as Buttercream, is an American content creator, plus-sized model, body-positive activist, social media personality and Instagram star who rose to fame through her Buttercream 19 Instagram account. Briella Bardot was born on November 6, 1993 in Seattle, Washington. She is currently 27 years old. Her astrological sign is Scorpio. Briella Bardot was born and raised in the United States. She is based in Las Vegas, Nevada. Briella Bardot started her modeling career in 2017. She became active on Instagram since April 2016. Briella is known for posting fashion and lifestyle photos on her Buttercream 19 Instagram account, where she has over 597,000 followers, all thanks to her voluptuous and curvaceous body. Briella Bardot has worked with numerous brands like Baby Doll Beauty Couture, Fashion Nova Curve and many more. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Love you guys.